Nestled amidst the majestic Austrian Alps, Hallstatt is a village straight out of a fairy tale. With its breathtaking scenery and serene ambiance, it feels like stepping into a storybook. Imagine charming houses huddled together, their reflections shimmering in the crystal-clear waters of Hallstatter Sea. The lake, like a mirror, perfectly captures the quaint beauty of the village, creating a mesmerizing sight. This picturesque village, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, captivates visitors with its timeless beauty and enchanting atmosphere. Every corner of Hallstatt tells a story, from its ancient salt mines to its historic buildings. Prepare to be transported to a world where time seems to stand still. The narrow cobblestone streets winding through the village invite you to explore and discover hidden gems at every turn. As you wander through the narrow cobblestone streets, you'll be greeted by colorful houses adorned with vibrant flower boxes. Each house with its unique charm adds to the village's enchanting character. Each turn reveals a postcard-worthy view, inviting you to capture its beauty. Whether it's the serene lake, the majestic mountains, or the charming village scenes, every moment in Hallstatt is picture-perfect. The air is filled with the scent of freshly baked pastries and the gentle sound of birdsong. Local bakeries offer delicious treats that are hard to resist, adding to the sensory delight of your visit. Hallstatt's charm lies in its simplicity and authenticity. The village maintains its traditional way of life, offering a glimpse into a world where modernity hasn't overshadowed heritage. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with nature and tradition. The peaceful surroundings and the harmonious blend of nature and culture make Hallstatt a true haven for those seeking tranquility. Hallstatt's history dates back over 7,000 years, making it one of the oldest settlements in Europe. This picturesque village, nestled between the serene lake and towering mountains, has witnessed the ebb and flow of countless generations. The village's salt mines, nestled high in the surrounding mountains, have played a pivotal role in its development. These mines are not just a source of salt, but a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. For centuries, salt was a precious commodity, and Hallstatt's salt mines brought prosperity and shaped its identity. The salt trade routes extended far and wide, connecting Hallstatt to distant lands and cultures. During the Iron Age, Hallstatt flourished as a center of salt production and trade. The tools and artifacts from this era reveal a sophisticated society that thrived on the wealth generated by salt. The village's wealth and influence are evident in the archaeological treasures unearthed over the years. These discoveries provide a glimpse into the daily lives, beliefs, and customs of Hallstatt's ancient inhabitants. Today, visitors can explore this rich history at the Hallstatt Museum, which houses artifacts dating back to the Bronze Age. The museum offers a journey through time, showcasing the evolution of the village from its earliest days to the present. As you delve into Hallstatt's past, you'll uncover a fascinating tapestry of cultures and events that have shaped this remarkable village. Each exhibit tells a story, weaving together the threads of history into a vivid and compelling narrative. From prehistoric salt miners to medieval merchants, each era has left its mark on Hallstatt's character. The village stands as a living museum where the past and present coexist, offering a unique window into the human journey through time. Hallstatt's fairy-tale-like atmosphere is undeniable. This picturesque village, nestled in the heart of Austria, feels like a scene straight out of a storybook. The village's idyllic setting, surrounded by towering mountains and a pristine lake, creates a sense of wonder and tranquility. The serene waters mirror the majestic peaks, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As you stroll along the lakefront promenade, take a moment to soak in the beauty of your surroundings. The gentle lapping of the water against the shore and the crisp, fresh air invigorate your senses, making each step a delightful experience. The sound of horse-drawn carriages clattering over cobblestone streets adds to the magical ambiance. These charming carriages, reminiscent of a bygone era, transport you back in time, enhancing the village's enchanting allure. Look for the iconic photo spot near the market square, where you can capture the perfect shot of Hallstatt's charming houses reflected in the lake. The vibrant colors of the houses, juxtaposed against the calm waters, create a picture-perfect moment. In the evening, as the sun begins to set, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors. The hues of orange, pink, and purple blend seamlessly, casting a magical glow over the entire village. The mountains glow with a warm, ethereal light, casting long shadows across the village. This breathtaking sight is a reminder of nature's unparalleled beauty and the timeless charm of Hallstatt. Find a cozy spot along the lake and witness the magic of a Hallstatt sunset. As the day comes to a close, the tranquil atmosphere and stunning views create a perfect ending to your enchanting journey in this fairy tale village. Hallstatter See, the lake that shares its name with the village, is an integral part of Hallstatt's charm. Its crystal clear waters reflect the surrounding mountains, creating a scene of breathtaking beauty. Take a leisurely boat ride across the lake and admire the village from a different perspective. For those seeking adventure, the surrounding mountains offer ample opportunities for hiking and exploring. Hike to the top of the Salzberg, the mountain overlooking Hallstatt, and enjoy panoramic views of the village, lake, and surrounding Alps. Whether you prefer to relax by the water's edge or embark on an alpine adventure, Hallstatt offers a unique blend of natural beauty and outdoor recreation. Treasures of Hallstatt. Beyond its natural beauty, Hallstatt boasts a wealth of cultural and historical treasures. The village is home to several notable landmarks that offer a glimpse into its past and present. Visit the Pfarrkirche Hallstatt, a charming church perched on a hilltop overlooking the village. Another must-see attraction is the Beinhaus, a unique ossuary located behind the Catholic Church. Due to limited burial space, the bones of deceased villagers were exhumed and stored in the Beinhaus. The skulls are arranged on shelves and decorated with painted flowers, creating a fascinating and somewhat eerie spectacle. For a taste of local culture, explore the shops and boutiques in Hallstatt's Market Square. Here you'll find traditional Austrian crafts, souvenirs, and local delicacies. Delve into the depths. No visit to Hallstatt is complete without a journey into its famous salt mines. The Salzwelten Hallstatt, located high above the village, offers a fascinating glimpse into the history of salt mining in the region. Don your miner's suit and descend into the depths of the mountain. Inside the mine, you'll learn about the ancient techniques used to extract salt and the challenging conditions faced by the miners. Take a thrilling ride on the miner's slide, once used to transport salt down the mountain, and marvel at the subterranean salt lake. The Salzwelten Hallstatt is not only an educational experience but also an exciting adventure that will leave a lasting impression. Echoes of the past. As you explore Hallstatt, you'll encounter remnants of its rich history at every turn. The village's architecture reflects its evolution over the centuries, from medieval timber-framed houses to elegant Baroque buildings. Pay attention to the intricate details on the facades of the houses, such as the wrought iron signs and the carved wooden balconies. Each element tells a story and adds to the village's unique character. The spirit of the past is palpable in Hallstatt, inviting you to step back in time and imagine what life was like centuries ago. A symphony of nature. Hallstatt is a paradise for nature lovers. The surrounding mountains, forests, and lakes offer endless opportunities for outdoor recreation and breathtaking scenery. Explore the hiking trails that wind through the Dockstein Mountains, offering panoramic views of the region. In the warmer months, take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters of Hallstatter See, or rent a boat and explore the lake at your own pace. During the winter, the landscape transforms into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, and other snow sports. No matter the season, Hallstatt's natural beauty is sure to captivate your senses. Embrace the adventure. For those seeking adventure, Hallstatt offers a range of activities to get your adrenaline pumping. Go canyoning in the nearby Lammerklam Gorge, rappelling down waterfalls and swimming through narrow canyons. Try your hand at paragliding and soar high above the village, enjoying breathtaking views of the surrounding Alps, or embark on a Via Ferrata adventure, climbing along secured routes on the sheer rock faces of the Dockstein Mountains. Hallstatt is the perfect destination to challenge yourself and create unforgettable memories. A feast for the senses. Hallstatt offers a culinary experience as delightful as its scenery. Indulge in traditional Austrian cuisine at one of the village's charming restaurants. Sample local specialties such as Wiener Schnitzel, Tafelspitz, and Kaiserschmarrn. Be sure to try the freshly caught fish from Hallstatter See, a true delicacy. And don't leave without savoring a slice of Sachertorte, a decadent chocolate cake that will satisfy your sweet tooth. From hearty mountain fare to delicate pastries, Hallstatt offers a feast for the senses. Your fairy tale awaits. Hallstatt, Austria, is a destination that will capture your heart and leave you breathless. Its fairy tale-like beauty, rich history, and abundance of activities make it an unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a journey through time, Hallstatt has something to offer every traveler. So, pack your bags and embark on your own fairy tale adventure to this enchanting Austrian village. Hallstatt is calling. Will you answer? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave a comment below and share it with your friends. Your fairy tale adventure starts now.